Hello and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So this is going to be my first lecture in the pedigree analysis as part of the genetics lecture. So before taking any theory and all, I started taking all the pedigree analysis because that is very tricky questions are coming from there. So I'll be taking the analysis first and then we can simultaneously go with the theory part. So let's begin our pedigree analysis part 1. So what kind of pattern inheritance does this trait is showing? So if you see over here, so before I start, let me introduce like what does it mean. So whenever a square is there, blank square is there, it represents male. And if you have got the blank circle, it is representing female. Now, whenever you have got the colored circle, it means it is the affected female. And here the colored square means it is the affected male. Now, next thing what we need to understand is whenever such figure is given, it means that between a female and a male mating has been done. So they are the parents, okay? And these three are going to represent as the offspring or the children. So for example, this couple has got two female and one son. So two daughters and one son is there. Now let's check the overall pedigree over here. So you can see that here two families are there, 1 and 2. Okay, so of which this family has got female affected, and here it is both normal are there. Now this couple has got two daughter and two son. Okay, so two sons are there and two daughters are there. And here it is again two daughters and one son is there. Now the mating has been done between this male and this daughter. Okay, but you can see that both are normal here. Now they have got the offsprings. So they have got the 1, 2 and 3 daughters. Okay, and you have got the 2 sons. And out of 2 sons, you can see that one is affected. So one affected son is there. Now one more thing is over here important to understand is that you have to see that at this generation there is the disease or the disorder has been seen, whereas in the second generation nothing is seen. Then again in the third, again it is seen. So it means what? There the skipping of the generation has been happened. So here skipping of generation is there. Okay. Now we also saw that initially it was female and then now it is in the male. So if both male and female, if both male and female are showing, both male as well as female are showing, then it means that the trait is going to be autosomal. Okay. If only one particular sex has been showing the trait, then it is going to be the sex linked. But in this case, since both females and males are showing the trait, so it is going to be the autosomal. Okay. Now you also see that in this case, the child has got the trait, okay, but the parents are not having the disorder. So it means what? This is going to be recessive. Okay. Now this also can be worked out if you can actually write the genotype over here. So let us say that to get the recessive, the parents needs to be heterozygous. So if I write like this, there are chances that this son is going to have the recessive ones. Okay, so you have got the recessive ones over here. So autosomal recessive can work only if the parents are heterozygous in this case. So they won't show any trait, but the child will show the trait. So hence, this pattern of inheritance shows that it is your autosomal recessive. So what all you need to remember is that whether they are showing from the both the sex or not, that is both male and female are showing, yes, and whether it is skipping the generation, yes, then you can say that it is autosomal recessive. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So let's do one this example. So the following human pedigree shows a family affected by specific disease. Assume that the individuals marked with an asterisk do not carry any allele associated with the affected phenotype and that no other mutation spontaneously occurs. Also assume complete penetrance. So finally, you need to understand that what kind of inheritance is happening. So if we see like very similar to the previous one, what we have discussed. So you have got the affected female, affected male, unaffected female and male. Okay. Now again, if you see, first one is your unaffected female. Okay. So second, if you're asking, that is the son of this couple. Now you can see that in the third generation, both son and daughter are affected. So what does it mean over here? Right. So here also they are skipping the generations and you see both genders are having the or showing the trait. So again, this is the example of autosomal recessive. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope this is very clear. And similarly, many other patterns of inheritance will be discussed slowly. And if you guys have any doubt, you can message me in the Telegram or in the comments so that we can have a discussion. Thank you.